love, love enough to go around. In space, breathe it in and slowly breathe it out. There's a place just for us here in the gold dust.
Yes, and we talked a lot, and I know there is another one upcoming. So I also wish to join the rest to also welcome the male child for the next main conference 2022. So I've just come courtesy of the office to also join this this official gala for this function. And I think just like I've shared with my brother, this is a good initiative, and I think moving forward we want to see a hub like this going further and also opening up the opportunities for the youth, because I understand most of the challenges that we face as the youth is lack of employment in Ukweli. So that as we move forward we can partner with the office, because the last time we were at the main conference, the biggest agenda that I shared with the group that we had, as much as many of us look down upon it, how many here wako kwa chamas? Mbaravia bare kiombe, wabwate kiombe kile up and running. So my biggest message from the Office of Women Rep is wetere biombe na we amanto unaitwa basaitura nyore funding, because what comes from the Office of Women Rep under the National Government Affirmative Action Fund is a grant, and you know a grant you never return, but before you get a grant you have to justify why you deserve to get a grant. So I urge everybody here, mwenye yuko kwa chama, you can form your own chama. As much as this quarter deadline ilikuwa Day 6 na tulishafunga, so when wali apply na wata qualify, they will get the grant from earlier next month. Then now I urge wale wenye wako na chamas ziko already up and running, so you can ensure so that it's up and running, so that from next quarter, which starts in July, you can also apply for the same. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Asante sana. Alafu New Home Music, Dr. B. Salimia watu hivi.
Habari zenu. From New Home Music, I'm very happy for you, Samora and NDIZI TV. Nimefurahi sana for this initiative, and I am happy because it's going to help watu wengi wenye wako kwa hii field, and also it's going to affect even the music side, kwa sababu unajua si wote tunafanya kazi yenye ni same. So I think kila mtu wako hapa anajua what we need for creative industry, which is support. Ama sivyo? So if we get support from you kuanzia leo vile mmekuja, and even going forward in terms of pulling more people to these avenues, we will appreciate. Thank you.
Asante sana, thank you so much. Hannington, on behalf of the whole NDIZI TV and the team.
Good evening. Mnacheka nikiongea kizungu. Wairemia. Yeah, my name is Matoke Hannington, but most know me as Okiondo. Jeromo Wusi, or Hamakisi. I'm a comedian and a filmmaker. Apart from that, I'm also a child of God. Praise the Lord. Next time you have a men's conference, remember to invite men. Wanoma wako invitiwa. But on NDIZIFLIX, this is a very serious idea that all of us need to support despite the many outfits we have. Najua kila mtu akona nyumba yake ndogo. Mimi niko na Okiondo show hapa, kuna Water Studios, na Sungura ako pale, Seito. Kuna nini mingi sana za online. But now when you talk about NDIZIFLIX, this is an umbrella that should carry all of us. So we should embrace this, support so that this can be big. Tufungulie milango pale nje. Otherwise, I'm very hopeful and I see hope when I see such things. Mimi sijawahi ingia hii building, ndio nilikuwa nafikiria ni watu wa university. Lakini nimeingia leo for the first time. Simu nipigie makofi. God bless you. I'm looking forward to work with all of you in one way or the other.
Amen. Thank you so much.
Have a good evening.
Vinto, next call. Big Magic. Salimia watu. Najua ujiwangi kuongea sana. Sasa ni aje?
Naitwa Vinto. Kampuni kubwa sio unaongea. Kuna watu wako na pesa waongeange nini?
Naomba kusimama hapa. Habari yenu? My name is Frank Zappa Images. I represent the photographers in this town. Nashukuru sana Samora. Hii si ofisi yako. Hii ni ofisi yetu. So tukikwambia fungua saa 12 unafungua. We have enough to do in this office. Kwanza hii space nyingine ni hapa. And for all the creatives, I think kuna shida ya kiburi na uchoyo. Hii kisha tutaenda mbali. Tarudia tena, tuko na shida ya kiburi na uchoyo. The day we decide to let that go, tutaenda mbali. Ni hayo tu.
So thank you so much. Marcus, Inca Solutions. Marcus ndiye alinisaidia kufanya all this branding and designing.
Congratulations Marcus.
So kwa wale wenye wanijui naitwa Marcus, Inca Solutions.
Branding.
Nafanya branding in general, any branded material that you need, you can get it from Inca Solutions. Nashukuru Samora for the opportunity. Kitu wanafanya hapa it's way bigger than just you. So if you're a creative and you need an opportunity to grow your creativity, this is the place to be. Nashukuru nyinyi wote kwa kuja na niyo tu machache. Thank you
so much. Ukitaka kumkumbuka virahisi ni brother ya DJ Cross. I think wengi wanajua DJ Cross. So if you want to remember him faster, ulizia brother ya Cross. Ofisi yake iko hapa opposite building, iko hapa opposite, directly opposite us. Yes. Alafu Sungura from Saito. Sungura please. 1 minute please.
Habari zenu?
Nzuri.
Kwa wale wenye wanijui njengo la Sungura. Ndeweka town ya Mbwate ili Sungura na waendelee kutoka. Number 2, by the way, I take this opportunity to congratulate Samora by the way. This is a good idea. Wacha tusaidiane for the benefit of hapa Kisii and for the benefits ya wale wanzo talimu Kisii for the nation to grow. Ama ni aje?
Vile inafaa.
But at the moment is it good?
Thank you.
For the benefit, not for Sungura, not for anybody else. It's not for this. It's for the benefit you understand. Our Nairobi or America can come to this. So tusaidiane for the benefit of grow nurturing talents and make sure growing talent. And lastly, by this amount, it is very important to follow. If mtu ametoka NDIZIFLIX amekuru ameenda somewhere, akileta recommendation, it is a hiyo ni application kuja kwako. Mimi nilifanya mtu wa Uganda States alikuwa na NDIZIFLIX na kwa America ama ni aje. So na wewe at least take kanga kisungura ama nikanze huko kwa na haikuwa na recommendation for the benefit yanga ki na Samora nokata kinoro. Many people from NDIZI wanajulikana lakini Samora uwezaje mmoja kama uzinoro. Papa and virus. Tunake tikura Samora. That's now what we need for the benefit yako grow na tunaku appreciate. Again grow.
1 minute please.
Asante.
Nzuri sana.
Kindly use Kiswahili. Kuna jambo hapa.
Jambo.
Jambo. Oya, one meeting tafadhali. Jambo sir.
My name is Moses. I'm the Junior Director Manager My Creative Interiors, my creative designers. Nafanya corporate interiors, tutaka kujenga nyumba mzuri, natumia mimi. Pia na run a small company by the name My Creative Designers Africa, inafanya branding na customization of merchandises kama hii sweatshirt nimevaa. So I like to give a echo to my brother Samora. He's among the small few people who welcomed me to Kisii. Sikuwa najua kuna biashara Kisii, but there is money in Kisii. Kiamua tu jitume, naona tu ni mayouth wamekuja ku think Samora na huyu ndio wazee hapa, si ndio? No. So no, listen.
Samora ni mtoto.
He's the mzee in the industry. As in, no, Zapa. No, let me explain it. It is a point that I want to bring up.
Nalipa university.
So, the reason nataka kusema hivyo, mimi sijafanya biashara Kisii more than 2 years. It is my first year. Na kile nimesema Samora ametu invite, but rika yake wengi hawajafika hapa, si ndio? But the youths are here. If we decide to help one another, then we can raise as one. And what I always remind you, mtu asikwambie tuko na pesa Nakuru, kuna pesa Nairobi. Whatever I used to do in Nairobi, everyone now is doing it there, si ndio? So I've come with the idea in Kisii. So kuna ile impact integrate juu si watu wengi wanafanya. Kuna kitu Zapa amesema hata kama ni mlevi ni ukweli. One thing that I've learned from our community people is that we fear when we see our friends raise.
Yeah, true.
Fear, it's not all about kiburi ama we fear. There is fear in raising of friends. So the only thing nitaomba, if you want to earn from me I'm always ready. For those people like Antivirus, you know we've done business. Not 1 shilling, 2 shillings. If you want a company that can help you to get money from you want to do a contract and don't have a company, you approach me, I'll give you the details, I'll call you, I'll be your junior now. You earn, you help me, I help you. Right?
Amen.
So tusaidiane na ukitaka kupiga nyumba kali nitafute. Thank you.
Please nijaribu kufupisha speech kidogo. I on soft please 1 minute.
Simamisha bro. Simamisha geuza hivi ndio. I address us.
Sasa. Naitwa Edwin Nyakundi. I work with Microsoft. I think we're really major. Some there's a tukisema Netflix, not the NDIZIFLIX. So kindly guys, wengi wetu hapa tumekimbia kwa Netflix. What about tufanye NDIZIFLIX iwe Netflix ya Kenya? Yeah. We have everything we need. Yeah. So kama ni content iko. Hebu tujaribu tuachane na Netflix kidogo, tuingie kwa NDIZIFLIX. So kindly if unaweza peana hizo details watu wachangamke wenye tuko hapa. Watu ni sawa, mzee. Nawatakia mazuri. Thank you.
Thank you. Studio, so 1 minute.
Habari zetu. Salam. I'm so glad to see so many beautiful and our wengine. More important nimefurahi sana kuona watu so many talents here and I believe hapa sasa ni home kwetu sisi wote. And Samora, by all means, tangu kutoka kwa hii logo mpaka tumekuja kufika hapa, congratulations my son. So nawapenda yote, let's do this.
Sir, thank you so much. A million hugs.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Samora. Well, a million hugs is not in art, but we take care of artists. Okay, we are a mental health platform that takes care of artists' mental health. We are a mental health platform that takes care of everyone's mental health, including the artists. So all the artists in the house, karibuni sana. We normally have a mental health session every Sunday from 2 to 5 p.m. at Mwalimu Hotel in a place called Icons Hub that is at Tausi Hall. So anyone who's here, karibuni sana for mental health sessions at Mwalimu Hotel in a place called Icons Hub. So karibuni sana. We are there for your mental health. We understand that artists always have some pressing issues within our lives. So we are welcoming you to our open space. It's a mental health safe space for everyone who feels like they have mental health issues, or just if you want to be part of a conversation on mental health. Karibuni sana, a million hugs. We are here for you and we are there for you. You can always access both the public space and even private sessions on mental health. If you have mental health issues and you feel like you need a space to open up and share your experiences, or you need personal sessions with a psychologist, you're invited to a million hugs. Thank you very much and karibuni sana. We are here for you. Asanteni sana.
Thank you too.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Lame Kinyamari.
Sawa Kili.
Solomonic. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. I practice my law in this town under ON Advocates. Apo Uhuru Tower, second floor, suite number 4. I'm also a singer. I go by the name Solomonic. Okay. One thing I would like to tell you, I'm seeing most of the people here are creatives. Please monetize your content. Monetize your content, copyright your content. Copyright your content. Your content can help you get a loan from a bank or a microfinance organism, microfinance organization. And by monetizing your content, you can grow. So you can come to our offices and we can help you on how you can register your content, on how you can monetize your content. Thank you.
Asante sana. Also pia niko na jirani yangu ambaye pia ni advocate, so acha kuwasalimia.
Habari zenu? Mimi singoti zungu sana. My name is Ojima Umoma. I'm an advocate of the High Court. Nimeona sini wangu wako hapa.
No, you're my senior.
He has admitted. Okay, me I've done, apart from being an advocate, I've also procedure in doing annual procedure. And what I can tell you is, you see what happens in this our society. The country doesn't appreciate intellectual protection, right? I'm going to try as much as possible because I'm a neighbor here. If you feel like you don't have your rights are not being protected, you can be able to consult me. My name is Ondima Brian. I'm a neighbor here. This was my schoolmate. Open the disclose one in summer. I'm going to disclose because my schoolmates now we are working together.
Thank you so much. And you see that channel? Unataka wasalimie kama
Udaku channel.
Wadakuzi. Hi.
Udaku tafadhali. What is the current Udaku?
I'm Louis. Kisi.
Sawa, half moon, mtu anaweza ongea?
Half moon.
Nianzeni.
Poa.
Hapo poa, mimi ni Alan, creative director Half Moon. Tuna appreciate sana.
Mimi naye napenda attention. Hi everyone. Hi. I'm Sharon Keruba. On behalf of Psychonauts, we explore the mind of a human being. Samara, I'm so proud of you. I'm happy for you, and you deserve all the good things. On behalf of Psychonauts, all the best vibes and whatever energies and stuff. Yeah, so yeah, thank you. No.
I think tuache tumalizie leo nini kumalizia unless shiko kwa
Hi, my name is Yvonne. Yes, and my name is Yvonne. I am terrified of public speaking. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for this platform. Thank you for inviting all of us to be here today, and thank you for everyone who showed up. Now, thank
you so much.
Habari zenu. Swali kinanikalia shida lakini tutaongea. Kwa majina yangu ambayo time nilisaliwa na wazazi wangu wananiita Andrew Momanyo Mwenda. Nilikuja hapa Kisii Bosongo, nilipatana na director Samora. Amenichunga sana. Kama si yeye ningekuwa Marani. Thank you my brother. Nilikuja na bibi yangu hapa, bibi yangu usimama uambie hi please.
Habari zenu? Habari zenu? Mnavyojua mimi ndo bibi yake. Okay, tunakuwa na siku si. Chingurujia ya. Without me aiendelea, you know. So kwa majina mimi ni Nancy Nyachuka Nyabuto, jina ambalo limetoka kwenye kipande changu, lakini la mtandao pale la kukulia. Na nimoroche dio boriera, ndio kubuchikibeli. Kuchakile mwana stengo. So onero mwanjione, oyo Samora
what's up, my good people? It's your girl, Sarastani today. Thank you for the support. When you subscribe, share my videos, watch. Thank you guys. Namzidi kufanya hivyo. Kama uja subscribe and you ready to watch this video, make sure you subscribe huko chini. Na if this video is awesome to you, thumbs up guys. Enda huko tu na like na comment. Leo niko huku. Hey, mgeni tuko na NDIZIFLIX, Tutataka kuongea na yeye atuelezee hii nini inaitwa NDIZIFLIX. Tumeona kuna studio, kuna YouTube huko, tutapatana na movies. Natueleza, I'm here with Samora sasa.
Niko fiti sana.
Uko poa kabisa?
Niko poa kabisa.
Yes. Is this the energy of having a studio, working with awesome people, good people, inakupa energy ama tu uko na energy kila siku?
It's been an amazing day and having such beautiful, amazing people, and most of them who have been my friends for the longest time, and they have made time to come support my hustle. It's really humbling but also exciting that to see, you know, my people showed up for me, so I'm excited. It's been a lovely day.
Yes. Before we talk about the NDIZIFLIX studio, we want to know, Samora, at any time, ukianza the shoot video, ukianza your movies, ukianza kutafuta the crew, did you ever know utakuwa na studio, ama do you ever know you love something kama NDIZIFLIX?
Yes, I did. Yes, I think for me this has been the dream for the last, I think this is in the 9th year, because I think I wanted to have a studio right from when I was, I think, in Form 2 or Form 3, when I started learning about Tyler Perry and what he was doing. That's when I knew what I wanted to do. And then, of course, at that time, I was so excited, I thought it would be easy, but then nikapata, especially after high school, I thought, nikimaliza shule nikiwa kampo, I do big things, niende majuu, niende Hollywood, but then life ikanipiga ile kitu, and then I had to be humbled, and then I had to learn the journey pole pole, and then I realized, and which is something I think I'd like to tell your listeners, that you know, sometimes you have a big dream and you shouldn't get discouraged when you can't achieve all of it at the same time. The trick is being able to break it down into actionable steps so that you don't focus on the whole elephant, but break down the elephant into small pieces in a way that you can be able to, ndio unaweza kula ndovu lazima umule kwa vipande huwezi kummeza ndovu mzima. Yeah, so I think that helped me to now to start, nikasema okay, let me start from YouTube, build the YouTube channel, and then open a TV station, you know, and then bring on board more partners and investors, and then now we're able to open you know, this is going to be a second TV station, and also at the same time a production studio and a hub that brings together all content creators in the region. So it's been a long journey, but I think I always knew that this is where it was supposed to end. Yes.
Tell us about the event leo. What wamekuja wengi, right?
Yes.
What are they really doing here? Unajua mtu anaweza dhani you're doing something yenye ni kitu ya kawaida, lakini si kitu ya kawaida, right?
Yes, I think most of the people who are invited today ni watu people I've known and people I know are content creators or are in the especially in the media business and people who I hope to collaborate with on different projects because again what we are trying to do here is to form a hub for content creators because tuko na watu wengi ambao who have ideas and maybe they don't have the equipment or finances or the strategy ama ile know-how of where they should start for them to actualize their idea. So we want to build a space where they can come with the idea and then there's a team that can work with them to push that idea from step 1 to step 2 until ifike kwa soko na iwalete mapato. So I think I invited friends and partners who are in different musicians, actors, content creators of all different sorts and even people from government because I know that those are people I want to partner with to be able to create different kinds of content and also to push some agenda out there so that we can be able to make money as artists. Yes.
So hii studio yuko limited that you working with people maybe mmekuwa mkitoa movies na wao like what mmekuwa tukiwork now anyone anataka kufanya anything ako free anaweza kuja.
Oh yes, this studio is not, NDIZIFLIX this is a new studio actually. Even most of my actors, the actors I've been working with for the longest time, even most of them came here for the first time today. Most of them didn't know that we have been working on this because this was not, because NDIZI TV is still existing, still going to be doing these things, yeah? And even those actors were still going to be working on the projects that we've been working on. But this is a new space now for anyone can come here. So long as you have an idea ama uko na project unataka ku-execute and maybe you need a place, an office to work from because as zingine, most content creators wanafanyanga kazi kwa bedrooms and in their homes. But then sometimes you want to meet a client and you don't know where to meet them. Ama sometimes you just need to go in a professional setup where you can sit down and do actual work. So we have created this space where anyone can come and it's a co-shared space for content creators. Yeah, so you can come here if you want to write a script, unataka kufanya research yako, we have internet, you can do your research. Ama umeshoot kitu yako kama wewe ni content creator upate maybe for somehow your computer is not working or something, we'll be having editors here, but if you are an editor as well, you can come and unapewa masaa zako you edit your work, and maybe unataka develop a strategy of how to market your content. We have marketers here. We develop a content calendar for you and everything, and then we push it out there. So it's open to everyone who is a content creator in the region. Yes.
Is it a matter of coming to board na tuongee na wewe Samora, ama as much as najua Samora anamjua, I'll go there tu na nimwambie unaona aje bro, ama content creator, wacha ni edit leo, wacha nitumie wifi yako, ama I should come and talk na wewe?
Actually, so this is an office. Si office yangu. So actually most of the people who will be working here hata sio mimi nitakuwa nafanya kazi hapa. We have a crew and a team that will be working here. So unaweza kuja hata ukose kunipata. But then we will have other producers here who can be able to share your idea, and then the table is at our meetings as a crew. Yeah, so sio kujuana, ni unakuja tu, you will meet a team. Ukikuja si mimi unakuja kuongelesha, you come and talk to a team wenye anaweza sikiza idea yako and the project you have, what's your brand, what you're really trying to do, then the whole team will work with you. So everyone has to come, and then we talk and we invite everyone to come, ama we'll even come to where you are. Hata kama unatoka Marani uko na umekwama, just send us a text and maybe share something small of what you've been working on. Tutakuja, we'll come to even to the mashinani wherever you are. We support you. You need support with the production, shooting or editing, you don't even have to come to the office. Just I think you can share our phone number with them. Anyone mahali uko, kama uko na kitu unataka kutufikia, just send us a WhatsApp message, tutakutafuta sisi wenyewe, and then we will be able to know how to work together. Yes.
Samora, apart from meeting the content creators, I've seen uko na other projects mnaweza fanya. Which are those projects do you do as this inside this studio?
In this studio we do many things, okay? Because first of all we are going to shoot, we will be shooting music videos for musicians. We'll be shooting talk shows for people who want to shoot talk shows. We'll be shooting weddings for people who want weddings. Kama uko na mazishi ama unataka event coverage of any sort, we'll be doing that. We'll be doing corporate videos for businesses. Kama uko na biashara yako, kama ni ya kuuza kuku, unauza ng'ombe, ama uko na bakery, ama unauza nguo, and you need a professionally produced clip yenye unaweza tumia publish on social media. We'll be working with you to create content yenye unaweza kutumia kuuza social media, because sahi every business needs to be on social media. Every business needs to be on the internet, and for you to be on the internet you need content. Or whether kama ni picture ama ni graphics zenye zimeundwa ama ni videos ama ni animations, we'll be able to do everything for other businesses and NGOs and everything like that, and even documentaries for even governments and NGOs. Yeah, we'll be doing all that. Anything that is video related or media related, we are your plug. Yes, na sio Kisii peke yake. Anyway, even if we are in Kisumu, we want to be the best media agency in the Western Kenya circuit. Yeah, so if hata kama uko Kisumu, uko Migori, uko Bomet, we'll come to you and we'll create content for you. Yes.
I want to know, do you have supporters who want to support and ukafikisha this studio kwenye umefika? Ama you working you alone and your team, your actors, your actress? Now how much does it take setting this studio yote hivi?
Unataka kunianika. First of all, wacha niseme mimi sio wash. Ni vizuri watu waelewe hivyo, lakini I'll say I think my supporters have been the people who have been watching our content, because I think we've been running NDIZI TV for a long time and it's been a good business because we've received really positive support from especially Wakisi to support sana as NDIZI TV, and that has been the support that has really made this possible. Yeah, because as I told you earlier, right from when we started way back in 2017, we knew this is where we wanted to get. Yeah, so everything else imekuwa ni step inaongezea brick upon in a building wall. Yeah, so I think we've been saving up and planning and partnering with other people, kujuana, hata watu wamefanyia branding, ni watu wenye tumekuwa tukiwork na wao, and we know how we work together for us to both of us make money and stuff like that. Yeah, so I think I want to say, and above all, I have a very supportive family and friends. So when I was doing this, I had people who were like, okay, we'll come through for you, because I think we've seen your track record, we've seen what you've done before. We are willing to take a chance and support you with this. Yeah, so niko na watu ambao wana believe in this dream, and that's why I'm positive that it will work. Yes.
And lakini hujatuambia, what does it take to set this studio?
It needs diligence, hard work, commitment, and more importantly, planning. We have to plan, because I wish you could meet some of my friends and family. They'll tell you how the last 2 months have been crazy for me to make, because even most of the furniture that is here, most of this we've just built it ourselves. We were like all these chairs and tables especially, and all this work we were doing it ourselves. So most of it is just a lot of planning. Of course, kuna finances involved, lakini my banker will not appreciate me kuweka hiyo figure, lakini it's as you can see, we really had to put in some work so that we can set up a very really well done space yenye hata mtu akikuja anaweza feel like this is a professional setup, na anaweza jiweka in that. Even a content creator akikuja kiamua anajua atakuja kwa ofisi ya maana, not funny looking space yenye mtu anaweza kuja hata aseme nimechoka nimeenda home. Yeah, so it took quite some money, but utanikubalia nisiseme an exact figure, but it's worth it. I know it's worth it, and any money that is invested in achieving dreams, it's always worth it. Yes, no amount of money is too big to invest in a dream. Yes.
Samora, tell us about the movie that you launched the other time. You invited people, you invited your friends, the guests, walikuja, right? Lakini kidogo hivi ukiongea na some of the actors wako like, pesa hazikutosha, hatukulipwa, hatukupata mshahara. Je, ni kweli ama pia wanataka complicate vitu?
What hawakulipwa? No, that's not true at all. I don't know who, unless you talk to the wrong actors. Yeah, but if it's from the actors of the movie, we are talking about Black Bull, the movie. People were paid actually. People were even paid before the movie was shot. Yeah, because we had support. We have a very supportive community, especially in diaspora, who support our project, and that movie was supported with our friends in the diaspora. Yeah, so it was well funded, and it was well, and even everyone who was involved was very well remunerated. And of course, that was not my movie exactly. We were there as partners. NDIZIFLIX was a distribution partner for Otter Studios. So that was an Otter Studios project, but we came on board to help them with the marketing, because we have an app that's called NDIZIFLIX app, and our website ndiziflix.com, where we sell movies. So we came on board to help them with the marketing and distribution element. But the project is a Otter Studios project, and that's how we want to be partnering with other people. So that if you want to do a movie, it will still be a movie, but we come and you plug in as your distribution partner or as your marketing partner. Or if you need equipment or something like that, you come, you need some expertise to help you, execute. We come on board, but still it's your project. Yes.
So Otter Studio and NDIZIFLIX, they're two groups, two different groups.
Two separate spaces. Yes. Otter Studio is another entity altogether that have their own projects, but we are partners. Yeah, because I think that's something that we really need to encourage content creators to do. to be open to partnership. So isikuwe that wewe uko na kitu kako unajipigania kando, yet kuna someone else mwenye anaweza come on board and add value to that. Yeah, so because we work with Okiondo Show, we work with Papa Antivirus, we've been shooting for them for the longest time, and we should still shoot for NDIZI TV. We've been shooting content for Getembe TV. So because this is a studio, so we work with everyone. So hapa tuko limited that because even at the event you saw, even the CEO of Getembe TV was here, KCFM was here. So because we want to work with all media houses to provide content for them. Because while in the distribution platforms, we are the production house. So we come and produce here, and then we use them as our partners to distribute and to market our content. Yes.
So tukiweza uliza kidogo, do you still work with NDIZI TV News? NDIZI TV News is something different, and NDIZIFLIX is a different project.
Yeah, these are two different businesses. But as I was saying, NDIZI TV was a stepping stone to this. Yeah, so that's ni kitu tuli plug in because we knew that we need a place to be airing our movies. But now then we realized, okay, tuko na TV lakini it can't accommodate all the content that we want to do. Na hiyo because there's the programming that they have haiwezi accommodate all content creators. So kuna content creators wenye hata content yao haifai kwenda kwa TV, yao ni ya online. Those people need that, they need to create that content. Na pia NDIZI TV cannot, because this is a hub for content creators. Your content yote haiwezi ishia on one TV station, because we want to be able to create content that can even go to Maisha Magic and to Netflix and to other media houses and platforms. Yeah, so NDIZI TV is still our partner. Actually, we have 2 projects that are going to launch on NDIZI TV very soon, because we've not been having active dramas that are running. But one of our partners, Papa Antivirus, already has a show that is running, and we're producing for them. And we're going to have more people when you tutakuwa tuna produce for, because we realize there's a gap. The gap is not even in the marketing. The gap that we have is in the production and execution of implementing the projects. So that's why we want to come in, so that to be able to create this content. Then now we can take it back to NDIZI TV and to Getembe TV and to KCFM for radio plays and stuff like that, and other platforms. And as I mentioned, we're also opening another TV station. So we need as many platforms as possible, so that because pia sio platform moja haiwezi accept all kinds of content. Yeah, so that kama content yako ni ya PG-18, tunaitafutia platform yake ya tofauti. Yes.
Labda there is a youth outside there mwenye ako na content anaogopa, ako like, I don't have any support, sina mtu atanisaidia ni kuja on board, naweza waambia nini?
That's why we're here. We're here for you. Kama uko hapo na unasikia kama kuna mahali umekwama, what we wanted to do huja achieve, take our number, give us a call, ama ututumie message WhatsApp. We'll be able to reach back and to be able to kwa Kikisi we like to say toko guide. Then toko guide, we know we take you step by step on how you'll be able to implement from all the way from your idea through scripting to production to distributing to and making money from it. And I have to insist that the end goal at the end of the day for content creators needs to be make money from your content. That's why we're here, because hapo pia ndio kuna many content creators hawajakuwa able to crack your code of how do we make money from our content. Yes, yeah, so we will be able to take you through that and guide you and support you through that. Yes.
Thank you sana Samora. I really appreciate us in NDIZIFLIX. After the interview now, guys, make sure to watch our video now. Make sure to if you have content there, outside there, usinyamazie, go there, watafute, they will support you and they will guide you. Thank you guys, till next time.